Imagine your iPhone 17 starts answering calls on its own, even when it's across the room or inside your pocket. It can feel strange if you're not expecting it, but this behavior usually means one thing. Auto answer calls is turned on. The good news is you can turn it on or off in seconds, depending on what you need. Here's how to manage it. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap Touch. Now scroll down and tap Call Audio Routing. By default, this is set to automatic, but you can switch it to Bluetooth headset or speaker if that better fits how you take calls. Below these options, tap Auto Answer Calls. If the auto answer switch is on, just tap it to turn off. Should you wish to enable the feature but adjust the waiting time duration, turn on the switch beside Auto Answer Calls. To adjust the waiting time, tap the back key, then tap Auto Answer Calls again. Under the toggle, you'll see the number of seconds your iPhone waits before answering. Use the plus or minus icons or type the number manually to set your preferred delay. Your iPhone will now answer calls automatically after a set amount of time, perfect for driving, multitasking, or moments when you can't reach the phone fast enough. If you ever want to turn auto answer off again, just return to this menu and toggle the switch to the off position. And that's it. Whether you want your iPhone 17 to take calls automatically or stop answering by itself, you can control everything from this one menu. If this video helped you manage your call settings, give it a like and watch our other tutorials to unlock even more useful features on your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching.